Please tell me
Okay.
that what do you think of my fluency?
I think it's brilliant. I think your accent, particularly your accent, is very good. You've got a very strong English accent, which you've obviously worked hard on. So I was impressed. Well done.
I live in a village and I've got a YouTube channel. I make videos about English vocabularies and conversation.
Mhm.
And I'm also working on my English because it's my first foreign language. I speak two different languages within my country. Okay. And now I can say that those languages are now official languages. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. So, so it's my third and first foreign language, English, and I'm working on it. And I thought that it's certain, it is obvious that I have to practice on a regular basis, and
Hmm.
it will be better if I talk with native speakers. That's why I decided to go with cambly and
Benji,
your dog.
sorry. Yes.
I watched your introduction video, your intro
Hmm.
video, and you mentioned your dogs, your cats.
I
Your
have lots. Yeah. I have 4 dogs and 1 cat. Yeah.
okay, okay. How do you handle 4 dogs?
We have a nice big garden, and we have a dog door, so they can go in and out of the garden when they want to. But I do walk them every morning as well. Um,
Okay,
but they all play with each other and entertain each other. So I used to have one dog, and he was a lot more hard work on his own
hmm,
because I was his constant attention and entertainment, just me. But now they
parrot,
have
parent.
friends. Yes, yeah, yeah. So now they have each other. They
Okay,
entertain each other a lot easier. So, and they wear each other out. They burn off energy together. So,
it's
but
cool. They are now
yeah.
siblings.
Yes, that's true. Yeah. But I'm glad to have
I
their
can say.
company while my husband's away. So it's nice to have them here.
Oh yes, right, right. In fact, in this
Yeah.
situation, you need someone
Yeah.
being
Yeah,
together.
definitely. Yeah. Although
Oh,
my
oh.
husband, before he left, he did say no more dogs. He said, if I come back and you have more dogs, he'll be angry. So,
Oh, he left. You mean when he went to Australia?
yes,
Before
when
he
he went
went
to
to Australia.
Australia, he
Oh,
said
sorry.
no more dogs.
So
Yeah.
that time when your husband left for Australia,
Hmm.
so that time you had 4 dogs,
Yes.
like right now.
Yes. I have no
No.
more. I haven't not yet. No, four four
You
is definitely enough.
oh my gosh, someone's have generally one or two, right? Generally
Hmm.
people have 1 or 2 dogs. Do you have more than two,
Hmm.
4, and you are saying I haven't more now?
My friend in another village, they have 30
Hmm.
and 3 dogs.
Oh,
Yeah. So she's more crazy than me.
it's
Uh,
cool, it's cool. And
so what
I
do you
would
like to?
also say,
Oh,
I
okay,
would
you go.
okay. I would also say that if you live with more and more animals, okay, just take it animals, then you are kind of parents for them,
Oh
right?
yes, yeah. I'm
And
responsible for all of.
eventually they become like family members.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
yes, so if you consider, if you think of a day when you are without them, you will feel awkward, right?
Yeah. It's true.
So
It's true.
yes, I had one. That's why. But yeah, here as we are Hindu actually, so in general, Hindu people have cows as pet. Okay,
Oh, okay.
yes, cows, and we have the direct source of milk. as we have
Mhm.
cows as pet. Yes. So buffaloes and cows, these are common here. Even some Hindus have goat as well. Goat.
Oh,
Okay,
goats
female
are
goat.
very naughty. I've had a goat
Yes.
before.
Yes, so female goats. So these are direct source of milk here.
Oh, okay. So what pet
Yes.
did you have before?
Uh, what say again? Sorry, I didn't catch
Have
you
you had
exactly.
have you had a pet before?
Yes, a cow. In fact, a
Okay.
buffalo as well. Many times cows, and once a buffalo.
What's a buffet?
Yes,
Oh, a buffalo.
buffalo. Yes,
Buffalo. Okay.
yes. Now you got it.
Yeah.
Tell
And you
me,
just
Faye.
yeah.
Tell me, Faye, that what do you like there in Bulgarian culture? Is something which
Um
affects you,
the
influences you?
the weather is very nice. The work-life balance is so much than the UK. The cost of living is a lot cheaper here, so our work-life
Oh, okay,
balance
okay.
is
That's
considerably
the main
different.
point.
That's the main point. Me and my husband, we never used to see each other. We were always working, and this
In the
has
UK,
meant
in
yes,
the UK.
yes, yeah. So living here means we see a lot more of each other, and we can enjoy our time together a lot more. So we can make more memories. So money is irrelevant sometimes. You can always make money, but time is something that you can't. Once it's gone, you can't get it back. So time goes very
Exactly.
quickly. So we need to enjoy it and spend it with the people that are important. So that's why we moved here. Yeah.
And I would say that the earlier you realize about the time,
Hmm.
the
Yeah,
better you will consume it, right?
definitely.
Yeah. So I'm happy that you took this decision to be there, and the something which is important is no matter how much money do you earn through your job or anything that you do, something that matters is how peacefully you are living.
Exactly.
Okay, how peaceful. Yes, and
Yeah.
and another thing that I would like to connect, that how closer you are with nature.
Oh,
These two are very important.
we are on the edge of the forest. So every day I see the shepherd walk past his sheep for breakfast, and then he goes and walks them back at tea time.
Yes,
Every day. And I have horses out on my front garden, the dogs, the cats. It's
yes.
beautiful.
Faye,
Yeah.
we have just few seconds, so please tell
Oh,
me
okay.
that what do you think of my fluency?
I think it's brilliant. I think your accent, particularly your accent, is very good. You've got a very strong English accent, which you've obviously worked hard on. So I was impressed. Well done. But it's nice to meet you
Thank you
today.
so much. Thank you so
Have
much.
a
Hope to see
have
you
a good
soon.
day. Bye.